Shalom Carving Long Life kelang ratum doan pini tum Carving Long Life tim ben non mat kenili tum ke do bangke la bangke Korkang Thi constituency puta pulo la pen ke Korkang Thi constituency ke parlo pon jasse met kahelo nai mate inglong ar lok ke do kar biara tum long si dolo ili tum lang dam lo pulo te kar biang long ni hang ni jang pen ke la pu hawar sta me ke pa phi khup hawar pusta me ili tum pudam deta enome tema meri hing ta penangan aja ka visi meri hing ta chilong lo to war banga prang kongres ke dohuda sarkar SDC dohuda sarkar hosi to war ki ta theglong chot lo la pen ke non a sarkar bang ke ili tum ke ar long ta theglong lo sang ti ta theglong le lo la lo sitame la bangso hawar jasme lang lok su pen seme lang so to war ke gari motor ta chehlat o e bas sitame chehlat pusitame nut bahini tum angthin je pathe tum si la bas ta vek cholo thema nini thom vek lo pulote a tayar na kang bob lo a sis na ke hen no lo e bike ta la pulo robru an pin lo sitame la daga ha waratum kaching thurji pulote ili tum backbone mang ili tum student lo mate lo charli o somalo ili tum future ke lo sani somalo jong si ili tum khei pa prangji pute kathe anga pirbi jong si kengkam si jordum pute lo charli na thu ili tum pa prang nei lang education na thu ili tum pa prang nei lang semelang so pen lang lok so adak penangan labang so adak sami inglong side lo masih school bang kawe la penangan ang bongolom ke kuma me master ing bodet penalam kita dolo ili tung kadu itu chini lo la penangan ke songamen pen sami ihin ben bang si development of han kam kita la tai silo sami lahai bang parlo ponon bang mon sam nang dolo ili tuma kheta reng dog reng ni nang dolo nono bang ke ili tumta langbung lang terpen donang nilo bang khay teng samili tumta donang po ke matha pen si penangan develop aphanji anutin da kar ilo sita men la bang so lang lok so pen se melang so dag school ka veder a jok si penangan lo chali us martum muru yeson si thekonlong la pen ladak angan wadi tumta thangnat ke patir pi pon ave a center lang ka ve pen chenglok alang litum center doson de penangan nursery alang litum same ke lang patir pi pon unji polo chair table supply pen chenglok asang han supply pen chenglok di asot asitin sampai ilitum somar duma just samet somar duman ke klim somara por husi ilitum education ahin ilitum patri pup onang po lasi pini ladak Saint Angel academic la bangso English school long nilitum kewang athipi bangala ilitum field visit lo ilitum masar tum dolo baido tum do lasi ladak au somar tum nahok deji puselang litum sitame ting hop roy la pu parpong roy sitame labang so tok bi arong ladake towar kok thom mate ke cekak towar ke cek kok putapu la so ha waralong sini tum dolo la si sar penle lam thi si arjuna tangte la sen labang so academy mate se labang so nal tu school non komentu ning kan mesi patir pi pon la pen teacher bang ko lom pen enrollment ko anok pen ko pi se ka siksak ke doma ang ton bang thanu ning no sa
to kanong kerbelong lai long live yung pen la daan kena ka humri po kasi lam the bangala pulo la so school nili kibi cheng ke la pening 2024 pen se cheng ho bang academy new year academy pen se cheng don rapet la bang tuman ateng se la sida enrollment non ko kan nili 20 lele chot 17 alam sido
okay
am pendak non da teachers tumbang ke non nili long ke doge bahani an nili pen bang thom do aku jalo man nili pinangan thek long lo mane ladak school mane usumartum kidam ke lo la pente mane kidam ke lo army arwe ar e an ke tuwa ta kheng no la so kamatha ben sinili ke dak rong so fan ka mane chingki chi than lo amat phi bangke nili tum ching wai lo che don lo amasi la pu chingkit lo la along leta nili ni tuma long le la nili mai tuma along le lo la dak silang tembang nang pek lo adim nili rilo la puan da rilo adim bangke nili rilo asitame adim abedet lo madak bang tinang pek lo madak bang bilo pen enrollment anlong lo la si penengge bangke non 2025 bangke nili lan expect pay sitame something mane I student improve chet mane ong chet pan ke ninga khado lo ke bangi pan nan pente la ada school bi kok pen nili ke matha ke mane ke matha ke thek long la pulo students atum son lo abang ini pinang nang tepo angke TO an sila tungge school dun po dakpen kilo ulang mati dakpen ho ni 5-6 kilometer ke dola tapi ya man ke bihek pen dulong le bihek pen dulong le ke mo TO an si dunji angke halaan lo pulute mo metric ke to kon dikla tungge 18-20 years lo berarti 21 years lo alaan lo pulute education ni ahin ke PO lo amasin ni litala so pa pipide dipan ke perang gi fansi ladak rok pencing wailin lo amani litala nanat pen pu cirap citolong lo pu brothers room San Francisco pen latum penta cingwai lo malatum ta nang support lo band spinini sini nang video lo amat nilita lo pu cingwai bom lo pu pen masih pu claim bom yalah he masih nilita liver ben pen nilida dak pen council long redam lo hadak cingwai nam lo lo nilitum ta bang po mo pu sempulo la ni katharson pan tong nam lo la se pinelo anam barang cipin lo jarang cipin lo latum banta emang ke mo la pulo akam bang ke SMC form non dak letter sang pele non po nang pudon lo man ne limo la po klempi jo kan se klempo biar lo men ke inwer po jo man ne lita la po aporta cilang kondom cilang kondom je lo man ne lita ka pori teng ton telang mati salam lo ya lalu kan benglong live nang pacini dun alam ke
lalu jasamet non pen ke rong ara tum pen ke feedback mate support ko sono
rong pen support ke la pulo dak bang ke mane binon nang libiun prote me thuang chot lo polam sinang pudun lo nili tum dang cidon lo po an sinang pudun lo pen dak non ko ke nili rong sumar an wet lah la bang rong ke pen ke bang welang di bang welang masih moneng pen bang ke bang rong ta ne bang rong pen ta dopo wo se sem sin nili ta hop dam lo he an pen te nili ta banners pin ini bang ke non market dak signboard pin ini ta men ke bitong in det mati yo man anta mane yo pen slowly pen hendi gradually pen dipo biar lo laita sabta edi se mathalo ne bang ateng pan la education hin pan bang ke bang tumle support do poten nili education pan school hin pan poten nili fully mane
pamo pen keceng pen okay which was kalau bang lo read nita stand up
animals that help us. The picture given below shows some of the animals in Mohan Farm, which their names in the species given.
Very good.
There are different types of animals in the world. Some animals live in forests, some animals are kept at homes and farm. Let us learn more about them.
Okay, then you? What do you know? Ini lo na chalo.
Animals that help us. The picture given below
shows
some
of the animals in Mohan's farm. Right there. Answer in the space given. Okay, now you ABCD purna. Asik teman. Hey, keep silent.
A B C D E F G H I
Okay.
J
Jaka.
J
Okay.
J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, very good. Clap your hand, everyone. Now you say 1, 2, 3 up to 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
Okay, very good. Clap your hand, everyone. Okay, I'll come back. Thank you, say. Okay. Shortly.
Lunch. Lunch. Lunch.
Okay. What is the meaning of lunch? Lunch means what? An. Di kecho hormu do an ke epokang krang aphan ke an pulo deh lunch pulo. Deh. Breakfast ke sa biscuit phano deh. Biscuit sa di breakfast ke chocolate gakhir lai phan ke breakfast pulo. Di. Sangamu pen kitun an ke lunch pulo deh. Okay. Lagi malo yo. Hui. Majet lilo lagi ya. Kalau nang read na ta.
Yes, good morning.
Four na lang sa magkitab eh.
What's the thing now? This one. Good.
What is this?
A.
What is this?
A.
A for what? A for what? Students, A for what? Say A for apple. Lauren, where is your textbook? Oh, where is your textbook? Open your textbook. Take out.
Arek du ubo lagi.
Huh? Say, what is this?
A.
Everybody say louder. Say loudly. This is called A. A for apple. Huh? Then B for what? B for what? B for banana. B for ball. It's okay. Ball also okay. Say louder. A for apple. B for ball. Read. Everybody knows all this. Read.
Okay, thank you, Corp.
Okay. So this one bench. Come on, bench. Spelling and not read. This one yesterday I taught you, no? There, Ben. Open. Where is it?
I told you all these
Ah.
people can.
Open this page number. Where is this? Where is the page number? Here. This page number. Take out. Page number 20. 20. This is 17, 19. This one. Here. You read this one. Read. Come on.
Piha. Pinchong ha. Te nang men e pilo. Nang men pilo. What is your name? Piha. Te nang men pilo. Oh. What are you reading? English alam thek marak the. Thek thelang ma. Oh, what is your name? Pulo te pilo thak nangji. Tola tai son no se ke Charlie lang di. Stand up everybody and say good morning. Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Jisong Terang.
Okay, very good. You're very handsome, very good boy. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Flavian Thangchu.
Okay, and what is your name, my boy?
My name is Akilan.
Okay, who put you this dress? Your mommy or your daddy? Your mommy? What is your name?
My name is Crimson Thangchu.
Okay, why are you not cutting your hair? You should cut your hair. Okay, where are the books? Where are the books? Where is your school bag? Inside, na? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Say good morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, now tell me your name.
My name is Avinash Ronghang.
Arunachal Ronghang.
Avinash Ronghang.
Huh?
Avinash Ronghang.
Okay, say it loudly.
Arjit Son Thangchu.
Okay, and your name, my dear lady?
My name is Fatima Phangchupi.
Fatima Phangchupi. And you?
My name is Avila Phangchupi.
Okay, so where is your home? Nanghem kwan no hello. Hello pinglang ma. Oh, nanghem kwan lo hello. Kwan. English salam thek marak the. Thek lobo. Thek pinglang ma. Oh, no se thek la hai. Charlie log lang hai. Wala lang tam books ke na pak lang tha. Match. Okay. Pini ke pilo maths ma, not first subject pilo maths ma. Match. Okay. Mama lo handwriting ke menai ke? Huh? Avinash. Okay, let me check your handwriting, please. And who is this boy without a dress, without a uniform? You are coming into this class. Pilo nangmen ke baba? Hari? Nangmen pilo. Okay, let me see your handwriting, please. Wow, very nice handwriting. Okay. Very nice handwriting. Okay. What subject is this? What are you writing actually? Morals. Okay. Okay. Now take the morals book. Hey, keep silence. I don't want any disturbance. Keep silent, otherwise I'll come to your classroom. Okay, read loudly. Which one you would like to read for me? It's a reading sentence. Okay. Now I want to check your pronunciation. How can you read?